Okay, so now discuss naman natin yung parabola. Okay, so sa parabola, dalawa yung formula natin dyan. Una, yung at the origin. Pangalawa, yung vertex niya is at h and k, yung may value na yung vertex. Ang ibibigay nating example is yung h and k since yung at the origin ay madali lang naman. Okay, so now, given the equation y plus 3 squared is equal to negative 20 x plus 4, alam natin na itong equation na ito ay parabola. Bakit? Kasi iisa lang naman yung variable na may second degree of exponent. Okay, so from here, kukunin natin yung parts ng ating parabola. Ano-ano yung mga parts niya? Una, syempre, yung vertex. Okay, yung vertex natin yan yung h and k. Alam natin na si y ang kasama niyan ay si k, while yung x ang kasama niyan, alam natin ay si h po. Okay, alam naman natin, magmula kay circle na we need to get its opposite sign. So, yung h natin na 4, magiging negative 4 po yan, while yung y na positive 3, magiging negative 3 din siya. Okay, after getting your vertex, kunin naman natin yung ating length ng latus rectum. Okay, ang latus rectum, yan yung number na katabi, numerical values na katabi ng variable na walang second degree of exponent. Okay, yung x and y, alin ba dyan yung walang second degree of exponent? Di ba yung x? At yung numerical value niya, yung numerical coefficient niya is negative 20. Pero nga, since latus rectum ang pinag-uusapan, laging positive yan kasi length po yun. Okay, so meaning to say, our LR here is equal to 20. Okay, now, to get the value of A, or yung tinatawag natin na focal distance, ang formula po natin is LR divided by 4. Okay, so i-divide na natin. A is equal to 20 divided by 4, meaning to say our A is equal to 5. Okay, and ito class yung pinaka-main parts, ito yung pinaka-main parts ng ating parabola. Kasi without this 3, hindi natin masasagutan ng tama at hindi natin magagamit yung formula natin. Okay? So, aside from here, kailangan nating alamin kung ano ba yung opening ng graph natin. Okay? Yung opening ng graph natin, mamimili ka lang kung upward, downward, to the left, to the right. Ito ay tinuro ko naman sa inyo yung shortcut ng pag-identify. Pero kung hindi kayo komportable doon, pwede kayong tumingin sa standard equation niya. Okay, hanapin niyo yung may y na may squared. So, ito yon dalawa. Yung open to the right and then open to the left. Hanapin niyo yung may negative. Ang may negative ay open to the left. Meaning to say this one is open to the left na parabola. Okay, so ganun class ha yung pag-identify. Okay, so kung may kanya-kanyang technique kayo, okay lang as long as tama. Okay, now, since open to the left yan, yung formula ay kukunin natin. Okay, but before that, isulat muna natin. Ang h natin ay negative 4. Ang k natin ay negative 3, while the value of a is equal to positive 5. So, itong tatlong to, yung kakailanganin natin to solve for the other parts of parabola. So, kapag may mali sa tatlong to, automatic mali na lahat yung isosolve nyo. Okay, so careful ha sa pag-solve ng value ng h, k, and yung a natin. Okay, let's move to focus. Ang formula po natin to get the focus is h minus a, comma k. So, i-minus na lang natin yan. F is equal to, yung h natin, negative 4, minus 5, comma, negative 3. So, our focus will become negative 9, comma, negative 3. So, ito na po yung value ng focus natin. Ordered pair. Tandaan, when we say focus, laging ang final answer is an ordered pair. Okay, now punta naman tayo kay directrix line or yung DL natin, which is x is equal to h plus a. So, add na lang po natin. H is negative 4 plus 5. X is equal to positive 1. Ito na po yung ating DL or directrix line. Okay, then after that, move na tayo sa R1 and R2 natin. Yung endpoint ng latus rectum natin, we have the R sub 1 and then yung R sub 2. For R sub 1, our formula is H minus A, ayan, H minus A, comma, k plus 2a. So, substitute lang po natin yung mga values natin. Negative 4 minus 5, comma, negative 3 plus 2 times 5, which is the value of a natin. Okay, so that is negative 9, comma, ito, negative 3 plus 10. Okay, then the final ordered pair for R sub 1 is negative 9, comma, positive 7. Okay, and this one, class, will be the ordered pair of R sub 1. Punta naman tayo sa ordered pair ng R sub 2 natin. Okay, R sub 2 or endpoint of latus rectum is H minus A, comma, K minus 2A. Okay, so that is negative 4 minus 5, comma, negative 3 minus 2 times 5 naman po tayo. Okay, and that is negative 9, comma, negative 3 minus 10. Okay, and your final ordered pair for R sub 2 is negative 9, comma, negative 13. So, ito na po yung ating final ordered pair for R sub 2. Okay, kung gusto nyong i-graph yung given parabola nyo, we can graph by first identify natin kung nasa ang quadrant yung vertex. Negative 4 and negative 3 nasa quadrant 3 po yan. Okay, and that is open to the left po tayo. So, from here, okay, so negative 4, comma, negative 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito po yung negative 4 natin. 1, 2, 3, negative 3. Ang ating vertex po ay naandito. Okay, and that is open to the left. Okay, after vertex yung focus naman. Negative 9, comma, negative 3. So, dagdagan lang natin 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ito po yung negative 9 natin. Okay, ang focus ay color blue. Okay, focus. Ito naman po ay vertex. Okay, so next one yung R sub 1. Negative 9, comma, positive 7. Ito po yung positive 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, naandito po yung ating R sub 1. Okay, for our R sub 2, negative 9, comma, negative 13, negative 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, naandito po yung ating R sub 2. Okay, then, simply connect na lang po natin vertex to R sub 1 to the left, pag ganito po siya. Vertex to R sub 2, pag ganito rin po siya. Okay, and lastly, yung ating directrix line, which is positive 1, x, andito po yun. Ayan, so ito po yung ating DL, lagay lang natin na DL siya or directrix line. Ganyan po yung magiging itsura ng ating parabola. Okay, so thank you.